Vinatieri, the clock continues to move. No snowplow in sight tonight.
Well, as you watch the TV, you can see the snow is moving in the same direction that he is kicking. So that means he does have a little help with the wind to get this kick up.
This will be a 45-yard attempt. That's Vinatieri's luck from this distance of late. This is the Patriots season on the line. The kick is away. It is good. A low line drive kick that had enough to clear the crossbar.
It's only this season, no big deal. What a pressure kick by Adam Vinatieri. And I lost sight of it in the snow, and it just gets over the crossbar. Let's watch his body language. He knows it's close.
Patriots, behind Tom Brady, have scored 10 points in the last 8 minutes. The Patriots see their season stay alive with 27 seconds to go in regulation. The Raiders and Patriots are tied at 13.